Hi guys, you are watching this video because you want to know how you can support your children's education and grow their leadership skill, right? Don't worry, I have good news for you. Just join my YouTube channel and you will learn how you can support your children from kindergarten to high school and finally send them to their dream college or universities anywhere in the world. Yes, as an educator, classroom teacher, and parents advocates for the past 35 years, I have had the privilege of helping students achieve their academic goals. Now, stop what you are doing and go to my YouTube channel, Education, Innovation, Leadership, and click to subscribe it. Look for the logo on the top left side of my screen and click the bell button to continue watching interesting videos in the future. Now, go and inspire your kids to excel in education, innovation, and leadership. You have any comments? Write them under the comment section of my video. Thank you.